Good evening, family, and welcome back to another wonderful American math lesson. We are getting started again today with some more addition. We're going to crank up the quantities just a little bit, keep on having some fun adding using our ounces, teaspoons, tablespoons, and so on and so forth with these metric conversions. And you can make sure to apply this to your cooking escapades in the future. So, yeah, let's go ahead and hop right into it. Kira, you want to go ahead and ask you? Yeah, we got some fun content in the works with Kira applying American math to her culinary endeavors. Um, all right, so let's go ahead and hop into our play space. All right, there we go, and we can get started with our activity. We're picking up right where we left off uh, yesterday. All right, so let's go ahead and get all this clear, 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 clear. I'm gonna clear all these too. No matter of fact, today we're gonna start off again with another counting exercise. So Kira, I want you to do like how we did last class. Don't worry about explaining it too much. And everyone at home, go ahead and follow along. And Kira, I want you to count from 1 teaspoon up to 4 ounces. Think you can do that for us? Excellent. And where is that thing? Oh, right. I need to share the screen first. There we go. And give the remote control. Go ahead. We're good. Awesome. Perfect. You were blazing through that. You're getting a lot faster. It's cool. Yeah. Whatever will help make it shorter, just go ahead and do that. I mean, aside from skipping values, we still need to see every value, but if in the future you see 3 units like this, I think we're at the point now where we can just go ahead and clear them all, carry in an ounce. All right, that'll make things a little bit faster. Any questions? Okay. Excellent. So before we get started with the addition, I want us to have a little fun with understanding the cup some more. We haven't talked about the cup a lot in our sessions. All right. Now, as we can see, the cup, we know that the cup has 240 milliliters and 8 ounces, but typically when we're calculating or using cups in the kitchen, we don't use ounces. You'll use it for like drinks. When you're a mixologist or making smoothies and stuff like that, using syrups, then you'll use ounces more frequently, but typically we don't use ounces like this. We'll say a fraction of a cup. All right. And what we can do is we can look here and see, like we can visualize how full the cup is at different levels. All right. So for example, if we fill up the cup with 4 ounces, all right. And let me go ahead and drag them in over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. We have 4 ounces in the cup. What fraction of a cup is 4 ounces? How filled is this cup? Very good. It's halfway filled. So if we were to take away 2 ounces, we can see here, oh, okay. If we cut up this cup into 4 pieces, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. That last one's a little hard to see, but 4 pieces. Now we can see that 2 ounces is 1/4 of a cup. All right. And if we were to clear all these and fill it up like this, this would be 3/4 of a cup. If we can separate out each of the, let me change my color real quick. That is not pretty. I don't know what's going on with this right now. Okay, yeah, that'll work. Okay. As I was saying, can't get too distracted with colors. If we were to separate out, there we go. If we were to separate out or cut up this cup into 4 pieces, like this, our ounces are currently filling up 3 of those fourths. We have 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. All right. So we're going to go through a quick counting exercise using fractions of a cup and for the ounces instead of the number of ounces right now. Okay. So we'll count up. Right now we have 1/8 of a cup. The cup has 8 available spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And right now only 1 of them is filled. So we have 1/8. Once we fill up 2, then one might say, okay, then now we have 2/8. And you are correct. We do have 2/8 inside of our cup. But another way to simplify that is saying 1/4. So instead of seeing it as, okay, we have I'm still here. And oh, can you see my screen? Hold up. Something happened to hold up, something happened to the stream though. Hold up, we're gonna go ahead and stop the stream real quick to get this sorted out. Do you need me to relinquish control? Control. What is going on? There we go. Okay, I'm not sure what happened there. But okay, we're gonna pick back up where we left off. Let me go ahead and clear this real quick. What happened with this? It's weird. All right, Kira, are you back? I muted you. Oh, please continue. Yeah, I muted you because I heard you talking to your sister. I didn't think you wanted all of us up in your business. Yeah, for some reason, I know we could see the interface and everything, but our audience couldn't. Um, they were just seeing a blank screen, and I don't know for how long, but we're going to keep things moving. All right. Right. But when I looked over here, when I was looking at you for an explanation or something like that, I saw that the screen was blank, and I was like, "What? What's going on?" I checked the screen, double checked. Say what? Yeah, I've never run into that before. It's probably just a software issue, like it picked up some other program. Maybe it has something to do with your computer since you were remote controlling. I don't know. But it's fixed now, so we'll keep it moving. We'll just pick up back where we left off. We're gonna go over this explanation again in the future, and we can cut it out for future recordings as well if it's beyond saving. That's a pretty cool symbol right here. I don't even know what this is, but I like it. Huh? Yeah, but I don't know what letter it's for. Like this isn't any letter in cursive. It's like this. That's J. But let me stop. This is not a writing lesson. This is a math lesson. Get focused, Jelani. All right. Whew. Back on track. Let's rewind a little bit. Okay. So we know that yeah, we're gonna start counting up a cup by ounces, and but instead of counting how many ounces we have, we're going to count up by the fractions of the cup. So for example, 1 ounce is 1/8 of a cup. It takes up one of these slots of 8. 2 ounces would be 2/8, but we're going to simplify it to 1/4 because we're going to see that 1/4, if we were to cut up this cup into 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 all the way down here at the bottom, we can still see that 2 ounces only fills up one of those fourths. So exactly. All right. I'm sure. Yeah, we're gonna. Don't feel too bad if you don't get it right off the bat. We're gonna keep on going over this in the future. Have some more practicing, so I'm sure you'll catch on. All right. Cool. Excellent. So now this will be 3/8. We can see 1, 1, 2, 3/8. Next up is 1/2. We are at the halfway point of the cup. 4 out of the 8. Keep on going up. Now we have 5/8 of a cup. This is 3/4 of a cup. We can see 6/8 inside of it. This would be 7/8. And 8/8, which is a whole. Now in the future, we'll have an area for the. Color real quick. We'll have an area for the cups to group off somewhere else over here to the left once we have a full cup. But for now, this is as high as we're going to go. All right. Excellent. Excelente. We're going to keep things moving now. Excuse me. Kira, now I want you to count up using the fractions as well. Count up from 1/8 to a full cup. Did you say 2/8? Right. So how? Very good. I think before you said 1/4. So yes, the cup is halfway filled now. Very good. Excellent. Way to go. So now in the future, when we do some addition puzzles, in addition to asking how many milliliters or ounces or tablespoons or centiliters we have in the puzzle, I'll also ask you how many cups we have in in our puzzle or as the answer. All right. So for example, let's create a mock puzzle real quick. And let's say that we have 4 tablespoons mixed with 3 teaspoons mixed with 15 milliliters. All right. I'll go ahead and play this one out. So what we'll do is we know that for the first 15 milliliters, that's going to be 1 tablespoon. Here's a little reminder right here for us. Next up, 3 teaspoons is another tablespoon, so we'll be proactive and clear those 2 tablespoons and carry in an ounce into our cup. And next up, we have 4 tablespoons. Now, inside of a single ounce, I can see we have 2 tablespoons, which means that we need 2 ounces in our plate space. So I'll drag out 1 ounce, 2 ounces. Okay. Now with this, if I'm asked, okay, so what's our answer in cups? What I would do is I would look down here and I see it doesn't fill up a full cup. It doesn't even fill up a half a cup yet. Or half a cup would be right here. It doesn't even fill up a half a cup yet. So I would say that the answer to this puzzle is 3/8 of a cup. Okay? This is going to come in real handy when we get into the kitchen and start doubling recipes. All right, and we'll have some fun with that in the future. We'll pick up that lesson again later. But do we have any questions thus far, Kira? Okay, perfect. Cool. Okay, we got a little tricky, not even tricky, but we got a pretty hefty one right off the bat. So Kira, I just want you to play through it, walk us through your line of thought. All right, just take it easy, and let's have some fun with it, okay? Take it one step at a time. You want to pick yellow? You like yellow? How's that yellow? It's a little hard to see. Like that? Did it look green? Okay. Very good. You jumped ahead a little because I was gonna ask you to convert it into cups, but you already knew what the deal was. So I'm not gonna fault you for that. You are 100% correct. It is half a cup and 1 teaspoon. All right. Okay. Let's get one more in. Let's see. We got 10 milliliters plus 4 teaspoons plus 4 tablespoons. One 100%. 100%. You're doing great. How you feeling about it? That's good. That's good. Well, everyone at home, I hope you're feeling good about it as well. We're going ahead and end the lesson here for today. We had an awesome time counting, had an introduction to fractions of a cup and how ounces can build up fractions of a cup. And we had some fun with some addition puzzles. So tomorrow we'll pick back up where we left off, continuing having some increasing values in our cups. Nothing too difficult. And we're just gonna keep on having some fun with it, all right? Yeah, we'll see if we could. We'll have something to show the family in a little bit when it comes to that video. But we'll make sure to let everyone know. Okay, go ahead and make sure that you practice and follow along on your own at home. And Kira and I will see you next time. All right, happy learning.